Hey, what's up everyone? Let's make steak in black pepper sauce. Rump steak, but you can use any steak that you prefer. Give it a quick wash. So the steak has two pieces. As you can see, the lines of the beef is going this way. So what you want to do is you want to slice it the other way. Cut your beef into strips like so. It doesn't have to be too thin. It can be quite nice and chunky. It's got a bit of fat and a bit of meat, so it'll be really tasty when you fry it. And for the big piece, cut it in half and again, slice against the grain into strips. Into the bowl, and we're going to marinate the beef. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, dash of white pepper, sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a very small amount of soda. You don't want too much of it, otherwise your beef will be a bit bitter. Give it a quick mix. Whilst the beef is marinating, we're going to prep some vegetables. Red onion. You'll only need half it, and slice it thinly. Pepper. So for this dish, I am using half a green pepper and half a red pepper. This will give it some color balance. Slice it into thin strips. Now if you feel like your peppers are too long, you can half it. Chili to give it a bit of a kick. I think I'm just going to use half. Put it with your onions. 2 cloves of garlic. Mince it roughly. You're also going to need a very essential item, black pepper. I'm using the coarse black pepper, and we're going to need about 1 teaspoon. Now, back to the beef. It's been marinating for about 10-15 minutes, and we're ready to coat it in some potato starch flour. In the bowl, add 1 tablespoon, give it a mix. You start to see the beef thickening. Add 1 tablespoon of water to soften it back up, and I'm going to add another half a tablespoon of potato starch flour to thicken it again. Thickening it twice will create a nice layer for the beef. That's the consistency we want. Add some oil into your steak. And there you have it, guys. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We are ready to start cooking. Wok on. Heat up your wok. Oil. We're going to fry our steak. Heat up your oil and it's nice and smoky. Steak can go in. Fry. Break the steak apart. Let the steak set. Let the steak cook. Just cook it on very low heat. As you can see now, they're becoming nice and brown. So off the heat and strain it. In the same wok, add your vegetables. Fry. Water, 1.5 ladles. Now we're going to season. Oyster sauce, about 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of MSG. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. White pepper and sesame oil for extra flavor. Dark soy sauce. Give it a quick taste. Right, steak back in. Cook it for 20 seconds. Now we're going to thicken it with a bit of potato starch water. Bit more dark soy sauce, oil, and now we serve. This is how you make steak in black pepper sauce. For the steak, goes well with rice. The black pepper sauce is nice and fiery, gives it a bit of a kick along with the chili, and the sauce just brings it all together. Thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!